This is Pat from Associated Siding in Omaha, Nebraska. Today we're going to check this roof for hail damage. Let's take a look and see what we got. These are Tamco Heritage shingles. This roof is about 7 years old. Right here we got a hail hit. Let's see if I can get out of here. That's blocking it. See how the chunks, big chunks busted off the edge of that shingle. That's what hail does. Let's see here. We got some hits here. I don't think these are so much hail damage. I'm not sure if these are defective shingles right here. Possibly because there's glue underneath them. They're making that granules come off the shingles. That's the kind of stuff hail hits can look like. Let's go over here on the north. Let's see what we got here. Not seeing any big obvious chunks out of it. You know, this roof got hailed for quite a while, but it wasn't very big. I'm not seeing a whole lot of damage on this.
It was like him and a bunch of like 13-year-old kids. Alright, whatever. So bad back there, like flat.
There's something about this roof. It's got incredibly long valleys on it. Let's see here. Let's see, this roof doesn't have a lot of hail damage on it. We have passive vents. Here's your ridge cap. Yeah, these valleys, if you don't seal these right, they are wanting to leak. You start getting 60-foot long valleys with not much pitch on them, and you can have some big problems. This all fills up with snow up in here, so this will fill up 3 foot deep, 4 foot deep with snow. So you better have it to where it's not going to leak. It means you use 24-inch valleys. We use the membrane, the self-adhesive ice block. We overlap the valleys. Some of the shingles, where it gets to crucial areas, we put sealer in them to keep them from leaking. So I'm going to say this one is pretty much okay as far as hail damage. We got some kind of hit there, but very much. So I'm thinking here's the spot right here that's from hail. That's the spot right there, more than likely from hail. There's not a whole lot of them. We have right here, this indentation is probably from hail. We got here where we're missing some granules. We got here a staple coming through, a couple of them. We can put a little caulking on that, and that'll fix those. So I'm thinking we got a little hit here. Little hit here. I don't think we have damage to the point that we're going to need to put a new roof on here. I guess we just wait until next time around, which is fairly frequent. That looks like a hail hit. So that's kind of what you're looking for when you're looking at a roof to try to determine whether or not it has hail damage. Here we have a spot here that looks like it's hit a little bit. get a certain number of spots in a, you have a 10 by 10 area, you have a certain number of hail hits. If you have that particular number, then that's what you're looking for as far as getting the insurance company to pay for it. This roof's not going to fall in that category, so I'm thinking we're pretty much good to go here, and hopefully that helps you with what you're looking for hail damage. We have a little spot here maybe that's a possibility, but you would see all the edges of all the shingles would just be all chewed up if it got beat up by hail very bad. So we're going to call this one good to go. So if you need a new roof, you got hail damage, you need an inspection to see whether or not you need a new roof, we'd be happy to look at it for you. We're in Omaha, Nebraska. It's Associated Siding and Remodeling. Been in business for over 40 years. We'd be happy to hear from you, and maybe we can get you fixed up. Have a good day.